Turn any device into a time clock. WebWork presents the Time Clock Kiosk, a simple and convenient way for teams to track clock-ins and clock-outs from any shared device. Employees can use a PIN code, biometric verification, or NFC to start tracking time instantly. No apps and no extra hardware required. With just one tablet, the entire team can monitor attendance, breaks, and tasks in real time. But it used to be different. Companies spent thousands of dollars on equipment or relied on outdated paper timesheets. WebWork changes that. Now everything works right in the browser. Fast, simple, and cost-efficient. You can track breaks, switch tasks, and manage shifts with full transparency and security. Perfect for warehouses, construction sites, retail stores, and healthcare facilities. Anywhere teams work together. And best of all, the Time Clock Kiosk is now available in all WebWork plans at no extra cost. WebWork, the simple way to manage your team's working hours.